5 jaw-dropping inventions that Elon Musk created that changed the world. Here are 5 of his inventions which contributed much to the world. Number 1. Tesla Motors. Tesla has well and truly shifted the narrative when it comes to cleaner energy on the roads. It is an American electric automobile manufacturer. Tesla Motors was formed to develop an electric sports car. It also provides vehicle service centers, supercharger station, and self-driving capability. Funding for the company was obtained from a variety of sources, most notably Elon Musk, who contributed more than $30 million to the new venture and served as chairman of the company beginning in 2004. The company operates through the following segments: automotive and energy generation and storage. The automotive segment includes the design, development, manufacture, and sale of electric vehicles. The energy generation and storage segment include the design, manufacture, installation, sale, and lease of stationary energy storage products and solar energy systems, and sale of electricity generated by its solar energy systems to customers. It develops energy storage products for use in homes, commercial facilities, and utility sites. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 2. SpaceX Falcon. According to Wikipedia, Space Exploration Technologies Corp., trading as SpaceX, is an American aerospace manufacturer and space transportation service company headquartered in Hawthorne, California. It was founded in 2002 by Elon Musk with the goal of reducing space transportation costs to enable the colonization of Mars. It helps reduce the cost of space transportation and enable the colonization of Mars. SpaceX makes the bulk of its money from engaging in just one activity, launching satellites into orbit. Elon Musk is the majority owner of SpaceX, holding about 54% of the private company, which is valued at approximately $33.3 billion. Some of the spacecraft they launched were Falcon 9, first orbital class rocket capable of reflight; Falcon Heavy, the world's most powerful rocket; Dragon, sending humans and cargo into space; and Starship, service to Earth orbit, Moon, Mars, and beyond. Bonus: Elon Musk is an engineer, industrial designer, technology entrepreneur, and philanthropist. He was born on June 28, 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa, to a South African father and a Canadian mother. These days, Musk is among the 25 richest people in the world, with a net worth valued at more than $37 billion. He became famous because of his wide range of revolutionary ideas, patents, products, and companies. He won a lot of awards and is a regular topic of discussion among business leaders and consumers. Some interesting facts about Elon Musk. His father is Elon Reeve, whom is an engineer. His mother is May Hellman Musk, whom is a nutritionist and model. His wife is Tallulah Riley, and they got divorced twice. His second wife is Justin Wilson Musk, and they also got divorced. The name of his child with Justin is Nevada, who died at 10 weeks. He also has twins and triplets as well. He attended Queen's University in Kingston, Ontario, Canada, 1990 to 92. University of Pennsylvania, BS in Economics and BA in Physics, 1995. Briefly attended Stanford University in 1995. Number 3. XCOM, PayPal. It focused on financial services and email payments. XCOM was an online bank founded by Elon Musk. In March 2000, XCOM merged with Confinity Inc., a software company based in Silicon Valley. Confinity had developed and was operating an e-commerce payment system called PayPal. Musk was attracted to Confinity because of its easy payment system. The merged company changed its name to PayPal. Musk sold PayPal to eBay for $1.5 billion in 2001, which made Musk a technology billionaire. A lot of people use PayPal, especially for online jobs. Musk envisioned XCOM as a full-scale banking and investment services site that offered everything from checking accounts to insurance services, mortgage lending, and bonds. He purchased the website back from PayPal in 2017 which had belonged to PayPal for at least 16 years. To be clear, Musk didn't buy any part of PayPal's business, he just acquired the XCOM domain. Number 4. Hyperloop. Hyperloop aims to allow commuters to travel between Los Angeles and San Francisco in 35 minutes or less, faster than a commercial flight. A Hyperloop is a proposed mode of passenger and freight transportation. First used to describe an open-source VAC-trained design released by a joint team from Tesla and SpaceX. It is a sealed tube or system of tubes with low air pressure through which a pod may travel substantially free of air resistance and friction. It could convey people or objects at airline or hypersonic speeds while being very energy efficient. These would drastically reduce travel times versus trains as well as planes over distances of under approximately 1,500 kilometers. There are two big differences between Hyperloop and traditional rail. First, the pods carrying passengers travel through tubes or tunnels, from which most of the air has been removed to reduce friction. This should allow the pods to travel at up to 750 miles per hour. Secondly, rather than using wheels like a train or a car, the pods are designed to float on air skis, using the same basic idea as an air hockey table, or use magnetic levitation to reduce friction. Hyperloop is a technology that, for its supporters at least, could have a huge impact. It could reduce air travel between big cities, boost economies and trade, and reduce the pressure on housing in cities by allowing commuters to live further away. But none of this is anywhere near proven yet. Let us hope that this will soon become a reality. Number 5. Zip2. It was the first web software company aimed toward helping the newspaper industry put together city guides for online users. It provided a searchable business directory that could be described as an internet version of the Yellow Pages, with maps included. Zip2 allowed for two-way communication between users and advertisers. Users could message advertisers and have the message forwarded to their fax machine. Likewise, advertisers could fax users, and users could view the fax using specific URLs. Wow. With all these 5 inventions, he really created a lot for the world. Musk has given the world some great inventions, bringing in a huge turn in the fate of mankind. We are more than thankful for his contributions. It seems like there's nothing Elon Musk can't do. His story is a lesson in how a few simple principles applied relentlessly can yield amazing results.